Hi, my name is Jason here at the QSC booth at NAMM 2025. We're here with Bass Gear Magazine to talk about the new K column, the KC12 three-way active loudspeaker system that we have launched this year. So this is our answer to a column form factor loudspeaker system. It's slightly different. We took a different approach to this form factor than many other manufacturers. Instead of utilizing a series of small 2 to 3 inch drivers in line, we actually developed a true three-way system. What we have is a 1-inch compression driver housed in the top unit up there with our leaf waveguide, and I actually got a prop back here that I can pull out. You can see that here, that's without the grill. So we've got our leaf waveguide here, first developed for our line array, L-class line array series. So this is gonna give us extremely high quality, high end, a lot of good throw, clarity, intelligibility out of that top end, unlike any other column loudspeaker is capable of achieving. We also have our custom 4-inch mid-range transducers in there that can perform down to the crossover point of the 12-inch subwoofer. Now that is a direct radiating subwoofer, high excursion subwoofer. So we have a true three-way system. There's no gap in the frequency response. You've got full coverage. It is very high performing, class leading audio that you're gonna get out of this system. And we're very excited about it. It's also very easy to pack down. Comes probably like this. Just pull that off there. I'm gonna set that here. You're gonna hold that for me, sir. Breaks down just like that. I have that one back. And then we can go ahead if we want to. You can go a half stick. So if you got this up elevated on a stage or a riser, you can collapse it down. Comes with this handy tote bag. So it packs down, puts in here. The entire unit fully constructed is only 60 pounds. The subwoofer itself is 48 pounds. Got a nice ergonomic handle on the top, so it's very easy to carry it, lift it, throw it in a car, in a truck. We've got Bluetooth connectivity on these, so you can connect a host device, and then you can pair up to 4 of these units together. You can get true wireless stereo when you're using 2. If you have more than 2, you have the option in the DSP to set any of them to stereo right or stereo left, or leave them set to mono. The DSP is pretty robust. Outside of that, we've got an EQ, we've got 200 milliseconds of architectural delay, we've got presets on our inputs. We've also got output contours that can shape the total sound for whatever application you might be doing. The whole thing is powered with a 3,000 watt amplifier with power factor correction and a universal power supply. That's delivering 2,000 watts to the subwoofer and then an additional 1,000 watts up to the top head unit. All of the electronics and wiring is inside the extension pole. We've got custom connectors that connect everything together nice and cleanly, and it's very durable and rugged. So you can kind of take it apart, connect it back together really easy. You're not going to worry about damaging your connection points. And yeah, so that's the KC12 K column. We're very excited about it. Thank you very much.